know what gives you the power of carefree flight in the sky? High definition and wide angle of view, stable and safe performance, a freely flight, and yes, this is Syma W1. W1 has broken through innovation. Aircraft is equipped with 2 cameras. Pixel of front camera is up to 1080p and comes with a wide lens. Plus, the 720p camera at the bottom, together with the optical flow positioning function. All this enables a better flying stability, as well as a clearer and wider angle of first-person view. W1 is something you will desire for. Manual switch of 2.4 by 5 GHz. Dual band with brushless motor gives you a stable flight even with bad weather. The most exciting thing is the powerful features of W1. There are 3 intelligent follow me modes. 1. Palm control with the gestures recognizing through the camera. 2. Select the people or object from the app. 3. You can also choose to let the aircraft follow the Wi-Fi signal of the mobile phone. A new visual recognition system for automatic photo and video shooting by specifying gestures. The perfect combination of W1 and VR allows the operator to experience immersive flying pleasure. More than 30 minutes of flight time. You can use the waypoint or flight plan function to replace the manual remote control. Flight safety is enhanced with the accurate GPS positioning and low battery auto-return protection system. No matter the innovation on the features or interactive experience, multiple experiences of W1 allows you to fly freely in the sky.